A political analyst explained why it is crucial for the Senate President to be a lawyer in upcoming impeachment proceedings against Vice President Sara Duterte. MJ Mondihar has the story.
The impeachment hearing against Philippine Vice President Sara Duterte will begin on July 6. Under the Philippine Constitution, the Senate will convene as an impeachment court to hear the allegations of irregularities against the Vice President. But unlike regular courts where lawyers serve as the defense, prosecution, and the judge, in the Senate, it is politicians who will conduct the proceedings. That is why political analyst Professor Malu Tequia said it is important for the Senate President, who will serve as the presiding officer of the Senate Impeachment Court, to be a lawyer.
Sa impeachment court, ang presiding officer kailangan mag-decide. Napakahalaga dyan yung jurisprudence. Ano ba yung jurisprudence? Ito yung mga kaso na pwede mong kunan ng yaman sa pag-rule na basihan para sabihin, oh, that is out of order, that is a wrong interpretation, we should probably consider it this way.
Professor Tequia also recalled the history of the Senate serving as an impeachment court and how important jurisprudence is in impeachment proceedings. According to her, this is something only lawyers can effectively do because of their legal training.
Nakita natin sa kasaysayan ng impeachment sa ating bansa, si Senate President Nene Pimentel, abogado yon, si Senate President JPE, and really abogado yon. Nakita mo yung yaman ng literature nila to make a ruling. Yun ang kinokol ng presiding officer, that you are able to break the impasse, to intervene when necessary, and to rule. Ang ruling mo is based on jurisprudence.
Current Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano is a lawyer. In the Cayetano Majority Bloc, 4 senators are lawyers. These include Senators Pia Cayetano, Chis Escudero, and Rodante Marcoleta. Meanwhile, in the camp of former Senate President Tito Soto, only Senator Kiko Pangilinan is a lawyer.
Si Senate President Soto, plano niya siya magkakaroon ng impeachment manager na si Senator Kiko Pangilinan. Sa tingin ko yun ay admittance on his part na he really needs assistance. And how will you be able to rule kung yun ay manggagaling sa iba? So lahat subject, lalo na dito sa contentious na impeachment kayo Vice President, yung ruling napakahalaga. Hindi pwede yung medyo padadagilid-tagilid o medyo patawa-tawa. Hindi, napakaseryosong bagay ito. Kasi Vice Presidente yung ini-impeach.
Tequia also posed a proposal to make the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court the presiding officer of the impeachment court. She says that the Constitution specifically designates the Senate President to serve as presiding officer or chief judge in impeachment proceedings.
Kailangan yung institusyon, someone who can make a decisive ruling na hindi mag-aaway-away yung mga colleagues nila doon sa impeachment court. Kasi kung magkaroon ng internal struggle sa mga posisyon, ang ultimate arbiter, ang Senate President. Hindi siya bumoboto dahil boboto lamang siya kung may tie, pero napakahalaga ng kanyang mga rulings.
Reporting for Newsland World, this has been MJ Mondihar, SMNA News.